It's very easy to log in to the Valencia College online library. Start by logging into your Atlas account. And looking for the Libraries box on the left side of the My Atlas tab. Click the top link in the Libraries box that says Search the Library, and the library catalog should open for you. The default search at the top of the page will help you find books and DVDs, which you have to come to campus to get, or ebooks and e-videos, which you can watch from anywhere with an internet connection as long as you log in through Atlas. The other area of the catalog will help you find databases. You can click on Databases A to Z or Databases by Subject in order to find the database that you're looking for.